Potato is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, super easy and delicious. For this recipe, we are going to cut 500 grams of potato. Like this right here in the middle, then in half and in small cubes. Add in a pan, put water to cover. Add a spoonful of salt. And we're going to mix it up really well. Now just cover and let it cook for about 12 minutes. Okay, it's cooked. Now we are going to be taking this water and reserving it. I'm going to add some olive oil to the skillet. Chopping 3 cloves of garlic into very tiny pieces like that. Adding to the skillet. And braising very well until it stays that way. We will take it out and reserve it in the frying pan. I will add a spoonful of butter. Wait for the butter to melt. Add our potato. Give it a light mix. Guys, this recipe is super easy to make and it looks delicious. I'm going to add a little spoonful of salt here. A spoonful of black pepper. A spoonful of oregano. And we are going to mix it very well to fry this potato. Stay like this here. Be very tasty. I will now add the garlic that we have reserved. And cut here a little parsley and chives. But it's to taste. Add over the potato and give a light mix. Which is to incorporate the ingredients. Our potato was ready and it was super delicious. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. So if you liked it already, share and see you next time. Goodbye.